What's up, knife lovers? Welcome back to Blade Stuff. My name is Chad Swindell, and today we have an unboxing. For the first time ever, I'm going to get my hands on a GiantMouse. Today we're going to unbox the GiantMouse Ace Biblio. Let's do this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I am excited to get this thing open today. I have not held a GiantMouse knife ever. This will be my very first time. I've had my eye on the brand for a while and I finally got my hands on one. So without further ado, let's get this thing going. All right, I picked this up from Jake at Bearded Gear, and great. Oh, and looky there, got some Bearded Gear stickers. Thank you, Jake. Great transaction. He was on the ball and got me taken care of very quickly. It was a pleasure dealing with him. All right, let's see here. Okay, and there it is. Look at that. That is a nice looking knife. It's a good color. Very clean lines on this. That is a burgundy canvas micarta scale there that just looks really good. And it snaps out. That's a good feeling knife. GiantMouse is a collaboration between a couple of different designers. You have Jens Anzo and Jesper Voxnaes that have collabed together to put together this brand, and that is a nice looking, nice feeling knife. So as mentioned, they've used a canvas micarta there, and with that satin hardware, that just looks good. That looks really good. So this is a flipper tab there, and it does snap out very well actually, and it's got very snappy action. Reverse flick it. This is nice. This is absolutely nice. The detent seems to be dialed in very well because it snaps out, not hard to do, yet there's enough pressure there to get it all the way out. It's a liner lock, and that satin against that micarta, that just looks good. It really does. It's got the wire clip. I'm not the fondest of the wire clip, but we'll see how it carries. And in typical fashion, they've got the jimping up a little further on the blade there. We'll see how I like that. That's definitely new. The spine of the blade is crowned, which I like that. That just seems to give it a nice feel. Blade steel on this is going to be Bowler M390, which is a great steel. I do like that steel. Let's look at some blade comparison. There is a Manix 2. Sage 5. So it's very similar in size to the Sage 5 there. Comparison to a Sabenza as well. Tell you, one of the things that stand out is the micarta handle. This is contoured micarta. Let's see if you can see that. It's contoured, so it has a great feel in the hand because of that. Yeah, it definitely feels custom. It fits your hand a lot better with that contoured micarta. I really do like that. Good, solid, very nice. This thing rides on bearings. Now it's a pretty small blade, so I don't expect that it's gonna fall shut. But it is very smooth. Knife is, like I said, designed by Jens Enzo and Jesper Voxnaes, Danish designers, but it is manufactured in Italy. The centering on this guy is really good. Man, I'm gonna like this. This just has a very unique feel to it. If I were to pick one thing on first impression that just really stands out, let's see what that would be. I like the crown spine, but I'm gonna have to say it's the contoured handles that just really fit the hand well. That's just really nice. Now it's got this, they call it a saber grind on that, so it looks like it would be very slicey. Definitely it's got fingerprints on it. All right, well, we're gonna carry this thing around for a few weeks, see how we like it, and we will do a full review on it after that point. But I would have to say I am impressed with it so far. It looks great. I really like the color combination. I really like the way it fits in the hand, and I'm kind of excited about giving this a shot. So anyhow, we'll see you in a few weeks and with the full review. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing down at the bottom. If you like the content, please hit the like button. You can also find me on Instagram, where we provide visual knife content there as well. Really do appreciate it, guys. Couldn't do without you. And as always, God bless and keep it sharp.